Struggling to get views on TikTok Live? You're not alone. Let's break down why your streams might not be reaching people and how to fix it. TikTok's algorithm is all about engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares you get, the more TikTok will push your live stream to new viewers. Viewer retention matters too. If people stay longer, your stream ranks higher. Consistency is key, so going live at the same time regularly helps build an audience. And don't forget promotion. Hyping up your stream before you go live brings in more viewers when you start. If your live stream isn't gaining traction, timing might be the issue. Streaming when your audience isn't active means fewer people will see it. Low engagement is another killer. If people aren't interacting, TikTok won't recommend your live to others. Lack of promotion, poor content quality, and even TikTok restrictions can also hold you back. How to fix it? Make sure your stream looks and sounds great, and keep the content engaging. Find out when your audience is most active and go live at those times consistently. Promote your live beforehand on TikTok and other social media to build anticipation. And if you really want to expand your reach, collaborate with other TikTok creators to tap into their audience. Want more TikTok tips? Like, subscribe, and check out our blog for a full breakdown of how to boost your live stream success.